Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. As you can tell by the title in today's video, I am doing a what I eat in a day. It's been highly requested on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, all of that. I've actually filmed this video like two other times and I just really didn't like it, so I deleted it and I'm starting over. So yeah, the first time I filmed it was like a busy day, so I didn't really have time to like cook everything, so I wasn't really feeling it. So I wanted to do meals that I do cook when I have the time. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I just had breakfast. Again, the lighting in my room is really weird, please ignore that. But I had avocado toast, and then I'll show pictures of it and all that. But I had 2 avocado toasts with egg. I just fried up 2 eggs, mashed an avocado. I put everything but the bagel seasoning and then some salt and pepper in it, because I really can't stand just like straight up avocado. It has to be seasoned. Like, I used to try and eat avocado toast all the time, and I would just slice the avocados and put it on, and I hated it. And then I tried mashing it up, and I put a bunch of like seasoning in it, and I could eat it. But avocado is really good for, it's just really good for you, to be honest. And a lot of people claim it's like a good food for the booty. So yeah, I'm eating it. But I had that. And then I put cheese on it on some toast. I had 2 pieces, that was really good. And then a little bit later, I just made some oatmeal. It doesn't look that appealing, but it's really good. I don't like to put fruit in my oatmeal. I know a lot of people do, but I hate warm fruit. I cannot stand it. So I just put some ground cinnamon and peanut butter in it. Sometimes I'll put graham crackers in it, I'm not gonna lie. It just, I don't know. It's, yeah, probably not the best, but it's what I do. But yeah, I had oatmeal. Oatmeal's a good food to eat too for growing the booty. Sometimes I'll add protein powder in it, but I didn't today. And yeah, I just used the Quaker steel cut oats. I like the steel cut better, like the steel cut ones better than the other one, like the normal, I guess it's there, I don't really know. I just don't like the texture of the other ones, so steel cut is definitely the ones I go to. But yeah, that was just my breakfast. I like to eat a big breakfast just because it is my favorite meal of the day. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm going to have protein shake with some nuts. I really like cashews. Cashews, almonds, or pecans are really good. Nuts are high in calorie, so if you're struggling to get your calories in, just eat some nuts. And then I drink 2 protein shakes a day, but when I'm lazy, I'll just drink a pre-made one. It's got 30 grams, but only 160 calories. Normally, I'll drink one of these, and then I'll do my powder with like banana, almond milk, peanut butter, granola, just to make it a heavier, or I guess more high calorie protein shake. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this right now as a little snack. So, Hi guys, it's a little bit later. I just had a snack. My snack was a protein shake, and gosh, why is it so bright? A protein shake and just some cashews. I really like to eat cashew, or not cashews, but just nuts in general. They're high in fat and good protein, and they're good. I really like walnuts. I like walnuts, pecans, cashews, peanuts, almonds. Yeah, all that good stuff. It's also something easy to, like, if you're not getting in all your calories, eat some nuts because they are very high calorie. So if you're struggling to get them in, just eat some nuts. And as far as the protein shake, I normally drink 2 protein shakes a day, but only one of them I need to put on chapstick. Sorry, but only one of them is like blended, if that makes sense. Probably does. Like, I guess into a smoothie. I get Premier Protein, which I'm trying to find other ones because Premier, it hurts my stomach, but it's just, I guess, easy. So I drink it, but it's got 30 grams of protein. It's already made, so if I'm like busy at work, something, I'm able to easily drink it, get my 30 protein in, and then usually at night the last thing I'll have is my heavy protein shake. Usually that just helps me get in my protein by drinking 2 a day. That just helps me get in my calories quicker if I am not at my 3,000 mark. But yeah, I'm about to make some pasta with meatballs. I got this red lentil pasta. It's plant-based besides the sauce. Again, I'm not vegan, but I like to find places where you can switch it, you know, like eat it, or I guess find substitutions where I can. I'm really picky, but I got red lentil pasta, and then I just cooked that, and then got these meatballs, meatless meatballs. They're high in protein. Pasta is just one of my favorite foods to eat. I think it's really good to eat on a leg day. I'm definitely not scared of carbs. And red lentil pasta and stuff like that. Also, Banza is a good brand. It's really high in protein, so you get your protein in, your carbs, and pasta is just really good. So yeah, I'm gonna eat that for lunch, and I'll check back in later and I'll show how I made it and all that stuff. Alright guys, so, ooh, I think it's focused. Now I am eating a snack. I had pasta for lunch. Now I'm eating my, like, just a protein bar. Oh, that was upside down. It's called Think. It's the brownie flavor. It's 230 calories. It has 20 grams of protein. It claims 0 grams of sugar, but I'm pretty sure that means it just has like synthetic sugar in it, like sucralose, which isn't the best for you, but it's high protein, and it's the only like protein bar I think actually tastes good. I'm really picky about like texture, like protein bar textures. So this is like the only one I actually like. But yeah, normally I would recommend getting protein in that's not like protein bar or protein shake, just because it's better for you. But always on the go, super busy, so I rarely have time to, I guess, make everything. So yeah, eating a protein bar. Me and Devin are going to take some pics, and yeah. All right guys, it is later. So now I'm making dinner. I'm sorry, I just can't get over how bad the lighting in my room is. It's bothering me. But anyways, I'm making dinner. I'm having chicken, broccoli, rice, and sweet potato, and I'm just cooking it in a pan with some Worcestershire sauce. I seasoned it, peeled the potato, cut it up, and then I just added a bunch of the seasonings. And then just added broccoli and cauliflower, and then I just have this like quick and easy rice I get from Costco. It's sticky rice. I'm not really picky about rice, but it already, like, you literally just heat it up, it's already good to go. So I'm just gonna throw that in the pan, and then with the chicken, and yeah, it's got it's healthy. It's got your veggies, chicken your protein, and then rice your carbs. So it's a really good quick and easy meal. And yeah, that's gonna be my dinner. And then later on, I'm going to have my big protein shake that I will show. I put the protein powder. It's got 30 grams of protein, and then I just put ice at the bottom, and then frozen banana, peanut butter, and then granola. And then I just fill it up with a little bit of almond milk, and then I put in a scoop of powder, some more milk, and then my second scoop, because the protein powder I have, you have to do like 2 scoops for the 30 grams. So I just do that and then blend it up, and yeah, it's really good, high calorie. It's just a good way to get your protein in and your calories in, and it doesn't taste bad. So yeah, the granola, somebody told me to put like oats in my thing, but I prefer like the protein granola by Nature Valley. It tastes a lot better. I don't really like when I put oats, like the texture it gives my smoothie when I put it in. So yeah, I just stick to the protein granola. It's really good. They also have it in like chocolate, so I might try that one day. And yeah. Two protein shakes a day, big dinner, big lunch, and then some, oh, and then a big breakfast, and then snacks in between. And that is basically what I eat in a day. Obviously I change it up. So if y'all want to see a part 2, just let me know, and I'll do that. I can do some different type of meals. I also kind of want to do a video talking about like all the foods I eat to grow my glutes, because there's a ton of others. A ton of other meals I eat just besides what I have shown today. So yeah, this video was highly requested, so if you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.